In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view sales on your Shopify store quickly and easily. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click Analytics. In the Analytics section, select Dashboard to view an overview of your store's performance. Here, you'll find key metrics such as total sales, online store sessions, average order value, and conversion rates. To see more detailed sales information, click Reports under Analytics. You'll be able to view reports for total sales, sales by product, sales by channel, and other important business insights. You can also adjust the date range at the top of the page to view sales data for today, yesterday, the last 30 days, or any custom period. That's it. You can now track your Shopify sales and monitor your store's performance whenever you need. Thanks for watching.